Want to make your Telegram stories pop, but working from your PC? In this video, I'll show you exactly what you can and can't do when it comes to sharing stories on Telegram using your desktop computer. You'll walk away understanding how to view stories, repost content, and what your options are for full-featured story sharing, even if you're more comfortable using Telegram on your PC. Let's dive right in. So first things first. As of right now, Telegram keeps story creation firmly in the mobile world. That means if you're trying to create a brand new story or upload fresh photos and videos straight to your Stories tab from your desktop app or Telegram web, you won't find that option. It's not a glitch, it's just how Telegram has set up their platform. Think of it like Snapchat or Instagram, which saves story creation for the phone app so it feels instant and personal. But don't worry, you can still interact with stories right from your PC, and I'll walk you through exactly how. Let's start with viewing stories on Telegram desktop. Once you've opened up the Telegram app on your PC, take a look at the top of your chat list. You'll notice a dedicated Stories section. The interface is a little compressed sometimes, so if you don't see the Stories panel right away, try pulling down on your chat list ever so slightly. Kind of like nudging a sticky window blind so you can get a clearer view. Now, look for contacts or channels whose profile pictures have a colored ring around them. That's the visual cue Telegram uses to signal they have a story waiting for you. Just click right on that profile photo, and you'll be able to watch their story there and then. Simple as that. Next, you might want to repost content to a story, even though you can't craft a new story from scratch on your PC. Maybe you're browsing through your favorite chat or channel and see a message, photo, or video you love to share more widely. Here, how you do it. Navigate to the specific message you want to highlight. If it's a photo, video, or even just a clever text post, right-click on the message itself. Or if you spot the forward share arrow next to the post, you can click that as well. In the little menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Repost to Story and choose it. At this point, Telegram will open an editor window. Now this is your chance to personalize, add some text to caption the moment, drop in a sticker for flair, or tweak the layout just to your taste before posting it as your own story. Take your time and have fun with the editor. There's no rush, and you won't lose your work if you want to experiment with a few different looks. But what about making original stories, like snapping a spontaneous selfie or sharing a video direct to your followers? For that, you'll need to switch over to your mobile device. On Android or iPhone, open the Telegram app and look for the camera icon or your profile photo with a little plus sign in the Stories section at the top. Tap that and you're in. The full suite of story creation tools is available here, letting you shoot, edit, and upload new stories in seconds. That's the platform where Telegram really wants you to get creative. And there you have it. While desktop users can't upload brand new stories, you can keep up with everything happening in your network, interact with shared posts, and repost highlights. If you're looking to create fresh content, grab your phone and unleash your creativity there. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions or tips in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.